Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to add story highlights on Facebook in 2025. Now, highlights are going to save you your best stories permanently on your profile, just like on Instagram. So, let's quickly go through how you can create and customize them. First of all, you need to open your Facebook application. Then you need to log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here on the home page of the Facebook mobile application, simply tap on your profile on the top left hand corner of the screen, or you can click on the profile tab here on the top. Now once you are on your profile page, simply just scroll down, then tap on the option of edit public details. Now here you are going to see all of the information that you have made public. So on this page, simply just scroll down, then here you will see the option of highlights. So on this section, tap on the option of try it. Now Facebook is going to ask some of the permissions, so you need to allow those permissions. Now here in this section, it is going to show you all of the videos or the photos that you have uploaded earlier. So you need to select any of these, then tap on the option of next in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now over here you will see the default cover that it has selected from the story that I have posted. So in order to change it, simply tap on this camera icon. Now you can tap on this camera icon again and upload any of your cover from your device to this one. This video I'm gonna be keeping it as it is. Now simply give your cover a name, then just scroll down and you can just tap on the option of add more in order to add more media photos over here. Once you are done, tap on the option of save and your highlight is going to be appear permanently on your Facebook profile. People can tap on it anytime to watch your saved stories. You can also add the stories later by tapping on the highlight and the selected option. Then again, you can just edit the highlight and add more. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.